we are here again today. Friends and family, I say good afternoon again to you all. Today our chicks are fully 8 weeks. I am here today to take their weight. So we want to know today, as of week 8, how heavy, how their weights are. So that is why I am here today. And by the way, I want to say a very big thank you for all the viewers to this channel. This is M&M Agri Ventures. You people are making this particular farm a very great success. As of now, we are running up to 800 subscribers. I want to say a very big thank you for all your subscriptions, all the comments and all the likes. And even again, there have been some people that have been sharing our links in the Facebook, in the YouTube. I truly want to say a very big thank you. And as you can see today, the chicks are 8 weeks today. If you can compare the last video I made on them in this farm, as of today, there is a very big, great difference. They are growing truly in a very fast pace. They are truly doing well. I want to really say a very big thank you for all the follows you've been following this particular channel. And I will be giving you more of our experiences, because always what I used to say, that we are new in this business. This is our very first attempt in poultry farming. We are new in it. But we want to say thank you to Yomata Youth Farming or Farmer Organization, because this farm is under their auspices. They are our mentors. They are mentoring this particular farming. We are new in poultry farming. So we shall be continue, or I will be continuing to download all our experiences, just like I did when they were 6 weeks old. But as of today, I am just here to give you their weight for you to know and to take you right around, right in the inside space. This particular structure it was built to cater for 2,000 birds. But as of now, we have started with 1,000. We lose about 19 in the brooding stage. As of today, we are having 981 in here. We lose 19 during the brooding stage. But they are truly doing well. You are welcome. See from our stores, because we are not having a very good scale. I told you that we are new. We are new. We don't have all the money now. This farm is being taken care of by 2 people. We don't have any support from any organization as of now. We are doing everything on our own. So we use our feed scale that is on a kg to did the weight measurement for our chicks. So as of today, fully complete 8 weeks, each of the chicks or each of the birds in the farm, they are 1 kg. So I believe, I don't know if it is bad for 8-week birds to have a kg of weight, then please you can tell us how many kg a 8-week bird is supposed to have if well taken care of, so that we can know we are below target. Then we will rush up to our expectations, most especially for senior people that have been in this particular business for a very long time. If you knew that for 8 weeks bird to have a kg of weight, if it is bad for the business, please comment in the comment section for us to know, and you tell us the estimated weight that a 8 weeks bird should supposed to have. But as of today, they are 8 weeks, and each of them, because we did a test of 5, and both of them, they are 1 kg. So if it is bad, please give us a comment, or if they are good, then give us a boost out comment also.